In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear the cache memory from your Firefox browser application. I think it's somewhat important to clear the cache memory over time to ignore frequent lags and high usage of RAM while using the Firefox browser on your personal computer. Although cleaning the cache memory can occur a little bit of extra internet usage when you're gonna load any website next time, but it will surely increase the smoothness and performance of your overall browsing experience. Keeping that note in mind, let's clean the cache memory. First of all, open the Firefox browser. Then click on the three lines from the left up corner and click on Settings. Then head over to Privacy and Security. Then scroll down to Cookies and Site Data and click on Clear Data. Then select only Cached Web Content and click on Clear. It's done. Now restart your Firefox browser and enjoy. And I appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.